Welcome, dear listeners. Today we delve into the vast world of employee performance tracking. Let's set the stage. Picture an orchestra with no conductor, an athlete without a coach, a directionless situation, right? Well, the same concept applies to the workplace too. You see, employee performance tracking is that much needed conductor, that insightful coach. It's the compass that helps organizations navigate progress, highlighting both the stars and the black holes within their ranks. While dropping the space analogies, it essentially helps in locating areas that need some polish and in recognizing those who outshine. But here's a plot twist. Although beneficial performance tracking poses a few challenges too, imagine playing a game of darts blindfolded. You need accurate data, not just any data, to hit bullseye. Convincing employees to embrace this change might be another hurdle. Moving on, we have the recipe for perfect tracking. Here it goes: collect accurate data, educate employees about the system, and don't forget to tweak it regularly. Now pour these practices into the RDCU Human Resources Development saucepan and Viola. If you have a workforce that's running like a well-oiled machine, performance tracking, my friends, is your first step towards a productive, impactful workplace. Let's get tracking